Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a header photo to your Bluesky profile. If you want to make your profile more attractive and personalized, this guide will help you. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the profile icon. Then, click on the Edit Profile option. Here, you will see an icon of a camera next to your header section. Click on this camera icon to start uploading a new header photo. After that, choose Upload from Library to access your phone's gallery. Next, browse through your photos and select the image you want to use as your header. Once you have chosen the photo, tap on Done at the bottom of the screen. Finally, click on Save at the top right corner to apply the new header to your profile. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.